everyone, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about this HP OmniBook 16 1TB with Ryzen 7 AI. I do want to mention I purchased this product. With that being said, let's unbox it and get started. Okay, so here's the laptop. It is a nice big laptop, and here it is. It's nice and new. You have your webcam up here. You have the ability to close the lens from the webcam with this, or open the lens of the webcam. So it has a nice big keyboard area and your mouse pad right here as well. Okay, so you do get your charging adapter, and this is going to be a Type-C adapter. I also want to mention you do get two USB-C ports, your HDMI cable port, and two USB ports as well. So that way you can connect your external storage and a mouse or anything else. You can connect two items there as well. And you get to this point right here. Basically, it's just downloading some software, I think, or you could decide for it to update later, but we're gonna go ahead and let it do its thing here. But it has a lot of features, as you can see this going by. Once you do the restart, this is the menu that populates. Once you go ahead and go through everything that you need to go through, then after it restarts, you get this screen pop up right here. And then after this, it should take you to your home screen. Once you go ahead through these questions, it'll take you to your home screen. Once you go ahead and select your country, it's gonna ask you if you wanna set up your keyboard for that particular country. Then you get to this part where you name your device. Go ahead and put your name on the device, and then you press next, or you could skip. All right, everyone, so here's the screen of the computer. It is very, very nice. It does have a lot of color, as you can see here. And that is the actual screen of this laptop. Overall, it does work very fast as well, and it's overall a very nice experience. And that concludes the video on this laptop. Thank you.